Hi parents, this is Miss Jerome Severe coming with another video. This is the last one that's relating to knowing my ABCs. So this is the last one. So again, the purpose of the video is for struggling students to master the skills that they did not get in kindergarten or they did not get in first grade or they in second grade or third grade, they don't know how to do it. So this is a skill for them to master in order for them to become readers. And also, you cannot say I'm skipping that and it doesn't matter. That's a skill that must be learned. At the end of the video, your child should be able to say the letters, say the sounds, and then know what goes with it. And they should be able to give you extra as they master the skills. Bonsoir parmi c'est Michel Sever qui vient à une autre vidéo qui a basé sur l'alphabet là. Ça c'est dernier partie. Hein? So, ça a pour n'importe qui monde qui a pluté. N'importe qui monde qui a pluté pour apprendre. Ou pas qu'à sauter partie ça et puis vous dire what retourner. Okay, so and I also try not to put videos and I try not to put songs in my videos because I do notice in my classroom the children are singing the song but they don't know the actual letters or whatever or the numbers. So m'pa vraiment mette vidéo, m'pa vraiment mette chan, son nan videyo myo porske m vle ti moun yo pote atensyon a sa ya fe an porske sa m gade nan klasan le ti moun yo ap chante yap bat men yo epi lor montre yo let la yo pa vreman konen se chan yo konen so konen chan se pa konen alphabet la and parents be mindful on the type of video that you're watching with your child. I'm not saying my videos are the best, but if you're watching a lot of videos that's showing a lot of excitement, jumping and kicking and singing, pause the video, see how much your child is learning from the video because that's entertainment, but they don't know it. Parents, make sure le nap gade video avec ti moun yo, nou gade video ki gade pou wè, si ti moun yo ap apren sa wak montre yo ou sa se plus danser sou dans, sou mouvement, epi yo pa kompren sa ya fè. So, portez attention. All right, boys and girls, this is our last part of the letters. So, let's go. And we're going to learn our letters and we're going to learn our sounds and what picture that relates to it. This is the letter E. This is what letter? E. E is for egg. E is for egg. This is the letter O. This is the letter O. O is for otter. O is for otter. R. This is the letter Q. This is the letter Q. Q is for quail. 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 This is the letter U. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. This is the letter X. This is the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X-ray fish. This is the letter W. This is the letter W. W is for W is for whale. This is the letter Y. This is the letter Y. Y is yo-yo. Yo-yo. This is the letter Z. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra, z, z, z. All right, great job, guys. See you until next time. Don't forget to watch the video over and over with mommy and your dad so you will learn how your letters and your letter sounds so you could be smarter. Alright, parents, yo pa oublier pour nous subscribe pour channel là, pour l'aime faire l'autre vidéo pour joindre pour aider petit tout. Parents, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so when I do the next video, you get the next video to help your child become successful in school. So this is Miss Jerome Sevilla. Until next time. Ok, c'était tout ça pour nous. C'était Miss Jerome Sevilla. À bientôt.